Wait, what do I see?
Hello, I am Nujo from the planet Mars.
Hello, I am Akshay. I can't believe my eyes. Are you real?
What do you mean real? I am here on my school project to study human body parts. I need help.
Oh, you too have projects? I will help you. I have many charts, models, books and a tablet. These models show human body parts. Parts of the body: head, hair, eye, cheek, mouth, ear, nose, neck, jaw, shoulder, hand, finger, stomach, feet, nail, toe, knee, arm, waist, chest, hair, forehead, eyelashes, eye, eyebrow, nose, nostril, ear, cheek, jaw, chin, lip, ear bowl. Now look at me. This is my elbow joint. I can move it like this, but not this way. This is my shoulder joint. I can turn it in 360 degree.
Wow, can you also tell me about other living things on Earth?
Nothing simpler. Body part of elephant: eyes, head, ear, tusk, trunk, body, tail, leg, front leg, hind leg, head, horn, eye, nose, mouth, ear, tail, hoof, leg. Let's show you parts of a bird's body: beak, eye, body feathers, wings, flight feathers, tail, and calves. Let's show you body parts of the lion: eye, whiskers, fur, tail, calf, leg, paw, mouth, nose, ear, mane.
I know what these are. They are antennae.
You are right, it's a snail.
Oh, my buzzer's running.